Hey everybody, hello y'all doing? Hey, okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Your girl man, Debbie from down here. Yeah? Mother's Day. You know, say it in the hearing and it a kick up rumpus. Well, right here now, I have a subscriber that has been requesting cheesy pasta, cheesy noodles pasta, whatever, because you can use any form of pasta. So I just call it pasta, right? And the same thing as noodles. So since Mother's Day is in the year, I think it's an ideal dish for just fit right in another little season. So I just gonna give you guys my little version of my cheesy pasta. See? Allow me now. So I have a little saucepan right there, so because when you melt them something, they're supposed to have a heavy bottom skillet or something. So that I have this, so I'm gonna melt a half stick of butter inside there. And let me tell you guys, you know, this is my version of the cheesy pasta or cheesy noodles. Okay? I'm gonna melt up that. We're going for medium flame for now. And guys, please give them a shot in my pot. I have some fettuccine noodles. That's what I'm using. Give them a shot in. I read that with flame. So, I'm asking you, please choose a decent brand of noodles. Because honestly, guys, yeah, I have my thing all melted. What I try to do is make a little roux with melted butter and some flour. Trying to get a little, maybe about 1.5 teaspoon or flour right here. I'm trying to make a little roux right here. Turn down heat. This is a thing where as you go along, you have to adjust your heat while going along. Trying to make a little roux with the butter and the flour. Okay? So as I was saying before, guys, try to select a decent brand of noodles. Because honestly, some pasta out there on the market, them not really are going good. Yeah man, now we try get a look at something inside of the pot so it look like with the butter and the flour. So, I have some milk, but you're going to pour it in small portions. We're going to chop a flame. Little by little. Because you're looking at consistency. As soon as you don't want any lumps. So you have to put on some pressure. To get it, we're looking at smooth, really smooth sauce. So it takes a lot of shoulder work and work, right? Now I'm gonna move to my special, guys. Cause me tell you, I'm not let out my special, you know. So right in on it, let them see. Most of the work lies within making the sauce. You have to do it. You can't pour the whole of the milk one time. You're looking at that smoothness. You know? Smoothness. Right in. Most of the work is going to be right in this. So, follow me as me tell you guys, this might not be the best cheesy noodles, you know. This is my version. Right? So, feel free if you have, or if you have another version, you can tell me how you do your one. You can leave it. Tell me about it in the comments. But this is my version. Trying to look it as creamy and as smooth as possible. Right? Adding a little more milk as we go along. So the more it boils, we want to get it at a consistency that it's nice. That when we put in, look right over here. When we put in with shredded cheese, you know, it will thing there. Right? When not up a flame, you can't leave it at this point, you know, you have to stick right with it. Cannot leave it. So as this can just go to the Mother's Day collection because this is such an inexpensive dish. You just need noodles, some shredded cheese, and a little flour, some butter, milk. So this is quite easy guys. Right, so I'm put my flame up and all of that, zoom right in, and all of that is happening. I try to get the milk and the butter and something as cheesy and as creamy, because inside of this we're gonna melt our cheese, right? Zoom right in. But if you look, you see as we go along, we're getting the consistency. Smooth and nice, not too thick and not too watery. See there, guys? Maybe another minute and we're there. You have to work it in. You have to work it. Look, when I reach the consistency that I am looking for, I'll let you know. I don't know how you do yours, as I said. I'd welcome it for you to tell me. And give me a version of yours. You see, when I want it burned, coming up to come. Well, to this now, I feel I'm going to start adding my cheese. So, not a lot one time, just in small handfuls. Right? Because we're looking for the cheese right in to melt inside of this. We're looking for the cheese to melt inside of this as we go along. Yeah? Looks like we are not chopped because you don't want it to burn. You know? Looking a nice, creamy, cheesy sauce. Real cheesy. Real creamy. This is it, guys. Restoring. And in the meantime, in between time while we're doing that, give them a shot over here. So, give them a shot on the table. Give them a shot. We'll have some smoked salami, but we kind of fry off. Yeah? Because we're going to shred them to top off the dish with a little green onion. Right? We're going to put in another handful or two of cheese. This is what it looks like, guys. Bubbly and nice. One more handful or of cheese. Alright. I think this might just do it. So we're going to work it now. Hope it's not too thick, but we want it nice that it hold to the pasta. We want it nice that it hold to the pasta. Getting all cheesy and nice. Look at it, guys. Zoom right in. Look at the consistency, guys. Nice. Coming to come. And listen to me. You don't have to melt your cheese all out. For me, that's why I tell you this is my version. You don't have to melt your cheese. Some people melt their cheese all out. I like to see the bits and pieces of the cheese inside the pasta. To me, it looks more appealing. I don't know for anybody else, but to me, it looks more appealing. I want it to hold my pasta when I put it in there. If you ever smell the cheesiness, we're going to put in just a small peg of garlic for a little flavor, and that's all we're going to put in because we don't want to lose the taste of the cheese. And that looks like it does it for me, guys. Okay. Remember I told you that I have my pasta inside here, well cooked. And I drain it. It was left warm. So we're taking some and we're getting some right inside our sauce. Right in. Let them see what I'm doing. We might not use all to the amount of sauce we have. Right? Because we want to get it all nice and gooey. Okay? Alright. We're coming now. I feel it's something, you know. Look at it, guys. And it looks like we can put a little bit more liquid. Not much. Not chop back we eat. Back down. We want to coat, we want to get our noodles well coated. Let us taste because the cheese is a bit salty. So for me, I don't need any extra salt. Okay. Cheesy pasta. Okay. Right, let me clean up a bit. Right over here. We're nice little pasta plate. So we're going to take up some now. Hold on. It's like my spoon does it better. Yep. And we're going to put it in a heap. We're not going to flat it out. We want it heat. Yeah, that is it. Because we don't want to zoom right in on it. We don't want to get the plate too crowded. Okay? And right here, we have a few slices, as I told you. It's smoked salami. Smoked salami. And we fry them off and drain them. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna fold them, and we're gonna shred them really fine. Real fine. You don't have to do all, just to, top off the dish. So we're going to put a nice little handful right at top there. Right, oops. And then we're gonna drizzle all over with our green onions. Not too much. And there you have it, guys. My version from West Indian Delights of cheesy noodles. And you have your fork. You put a little fork there. Okay. Alright. This can be served up with a sparkler. A sparkling, you know, white wine. And you don't have to use a expensive wine. You can just use a nice little non-alcoholic. You know them little non-alcoholic, as long as it is, you know, a sparkler. Because cheese, if me not lie, I don't think just cheese dishes they go with pasta. So, you know me have to serve up with a beverage. So, I don't have any wine. I don't have any sparkler. So, you see my beverage. Come in to come. So, when I think Mama gonna have no problem if she don't get the sparkling white wine. We have a bottle of Sprite here. Well cool, coming from the freezer. So if you take your time and crack it, guys, and you know if you not take your time and crack it, what will happen? Give them a shot in the meantime, make them see my version of cheesy noodles, which I use fettuccine noodles. So I told you I don't make my cheese melt because I want to see my cheese in there. I don't just want to see pure sauce alone. I need to see my cheese in my noodles. So that is my version. Some people do it, you can't see the cheese, but because that is why it's called cheesy. I want to see the cheese bits in there. So that is my version of it. So I'm serving up this with a glass of Sprite, which, as I told you, you can serve it with a glass of white sparkling wine. You don't have to buy no expensive wine, no, you just buy a nice because you know how to do it. And as a mom, because listen guys, it's not the cost of the dish, it's the thought behind it. I am a mom, and if I have somebody come and serve me this on Mother's Day, this wouldn't be for breakfast though, you know, family. Brunch, lunch, or probably dinner too, but not for breakfast. So cheesy noodles from West Indian Delights. This is my version. Enjoy. Okay? And you notice when we look about nothing for mom, me not taste it, you know, you can't dig up in a mom food like that, you know. So listen to me now. Try it. And if you have a different way that you do your one, you can let me know in the comments below. But this is my version. Cheesy noodles with some smoked salami, shredded and fried off and shredded and topped off with a little green onions. Serve up with a glass of cold Sprite. From my kitchen to yours, enjoy. This is another little inexpensive Mother's Day. And listen to me, I dey be from down a yard, you know. Remember, a mom food is me can't eat now. Listen to me. Boop.